All right, what's up, guys? So this is not going to be your typical demo, but more of a snapshot of what we're working on right now. So yeah, so getting hired is a job in and of itself. We've all heard this before. And the reason for that is because of trust, right? Trust is hard to get. There's a barrier to entry to trust, let's just say that. But this is not the answer. This is way too much, we feel, and does not induce trust in any way. We can see that when on-site interviews are coming up. So companies are checking if it's really the candidate and not just an AI. So we're trying to solve this and make it more like this, right? You demonstrate your skills once in your real-world skills in a secure environment. You prove those skills once, and then you have a conversation that gets you hired for perhaps multiple companies that are interested in your skills. So from the company side of things, what's in it for them? They're not going to need to find you, right? You are just going to show up in their dashboard as soon as they upload their job description. So there's no need to find the right candidates, and there's no resources spent on candidates who ultimately lack the skills, right? So basically, what we do is we take candidates who have the skills and are qualified, and we make them spottable. That's the vision behind the whole thing. Messy-ass process to a really simple one right here. So not going to be...
This is your system design round. You can see the architecture of URL.
So this is a quick demo, basically showing that from a resume, we generated a real-world task for our CTO here to basically answer the systems design question and actually optimize it, bring it to scale, which is something that will actually show up in a real-world scenario. We're looking at this across verticals, right? We've done 8+ years of technology for role-specific task environment generation. So for any role, not just developers, we want people using Spottable. And yeah, if you want to be a beta user, I'm looking for 5 people after this, whether you're a company, or a job seeker, or you're an employer. So yeah.
Did you get hired using Spottable? Did you get hired through this app?
We're building it right now, so no.
Okay.
But yeah. Thank you.
Excellent. Thank you.